Click the link in the description below to learn how to switch to commercial full-time. Are you looking to grow your commercial roofing business? We're a group of commercial roofing contractors throughout the country that have banded together to help each other avoid costly mistakes, while also talking which growth strategies are working the best. To talk to one of our members and learn more about what we're accomplishing together, go to our website, choiceroofcontractors.com.